Okay, let us try to mix videos. So now Android, this is an Android device, as you can see. Hi guys, here is another stable emulator for your Android device, and this emulator works very well on a low-end smartphones, and this will enable you to install softwares, to install computer softwares like games like GTA 5. You can even install other softwares like Virtual DJ, Photoshop, as long as those files are in exe files. Now this emulator is called Horizon Emulator, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to install it, configure it, so that it can work very well on your device. Before we go further, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give me that like, and also comment anything that you would like us to assist you. Now you go to your phone, use any browser and go to the internet, and then from your search engine just input in Horizon Emulator. You tap on it. After tapping on it, you will come to this GitHub page. And please make sure you join my Telegram channel. The link is in the description, and also remember to follow me on TikTok. Now when you come to this GitHub page, you scroll down until you see releases. Scroll down, here the releases. Tap on latest. Download this APK. Download the APK. As you can see, it is downloading. Now after downloading, install the APK. Tap on it and install it. And here, just tap on install anyway. Of course, you input in your and install. When it is installed, you tap on open. Allow it to access the files. Look for Horizon. You open it. It will totally be blank from this point. Now what you do is tap this download here. You tap this download. We are going to download some repositories as you see them here. You tap on this one, download this one, download this, download this, and you download this to this one. You download this one, download this, this. You tap on them, and when we reach to this wine, leave this one and leave this wine, leave this one. Now we are going to install this wine 9.13 vanilla. We are going to download that. Download this, download this one, download the rest, and wait for them to download that. They will take some time to finish. You just make sure you have a stable internet and you will be good to go. As you can see, our repositories have already been installed. They have been installed. Now what you do, we tap on this icon, settings. After tapping on settings, we tap on this X11 settings. Here we are going to put it to exact, and the display we are going to leave it there, but you can choose according to your device resolution. Then here, stretch to fit, we are going to put in that. We can leave the rest as they are. Then we go back a little bit, environment settings. Now from environment settings, here we are going to create a new preset. Here we are going to name it Guru, but you can write any name. Just write, just put in Guru. What else? Scroll down. This big block, whatever, we are going to put it to 0. Then you scroll down a little bit. These cores, we are going to leave it there. And then this RAM, you can, if you have 8 GB RAM, you can put here, but this device has 6 GB RAM. I'm going to leave it there. Then you scroll down. we turn off this here. We turn off that. I'll turn off that, and then we go back. After going back now, let's tap here. We tap here. After tapping here, you see this icon. As you see, this icon is already here. Now what we are going to do, we are going to create a new container. Now tap here, confirm. Now from here, this environment preset, we are going to put to Guru because we have already created it here. Now this box 64, we are going to put to the latest. The latest is this DXVK driver. We are going to put to this, and then turnip driver we are going to put to Horizon V7, and then this we can just put them to the latest, and these ones all you can leave them as they are. You tap on done. Now after tapping on done, now we are going to start our Horizon emulator. To start our Horizon emulator, you are going to tap here, tap, give it time to start up. Yes guys, as you can see our emulator has already started up. Yeah, it has already started up. As you can see here, we can add programs. Tap on install. Now as I told you, I remember in my previous videos I told you how to set up any kind of, how to install any program. In this video, let us test one program. Let us test one program. If you don't know how to install programs, what you do is you can check my previous videos. Yeah, you can check my previous video. Let us try to install one of the programs. As I told you, if you want to install anything on this emulator, it has to be in your download folder, but then from this emulator you will be able to access it from the D folder. Yeah, as you can see, I have my softwares here. From my phone they are in the download folder, but then in my emulator it is here in D. Let us try to install Blender. Yeah, just for the sake of trying. Yeah, as you can see, this is Blender. If you know, you agree. Next. As you can see, it is already installing. Yeah, it's already installing. Yeah, it's already installing. We are going to test it a little bit. Yeah, by the way, on this emulator you can install games, anything, as long as it is in exe file. You can install any app that you use on your computer. You can use it here without any issue. Yeah, it has already completed installing. Yeah, as you can see, it is starting up. Yeah, as you can see, this is our Blender. It has fully loaded. This is Blender 2.5. Yeah, as you can see, it is working really fine. Our Blender, it is working really fine. Remember, this is an Android device. Yeah, but in order for you to use it very well, you have to connect a mouse. Then you'll be good to go. Yeah, I'm also trying to install Virtual DJ. Yeah, I'm also trying to install Virtual DJ, and I'm going to test it too. Let's tap on typical install. Finish. It is done. It is done. Yeah, it is opening. Skip. Yeah, so it has opened. Let us test with some music. My music is in the D folder, of course. D folder here. here. And I'm going to test it with videos. Videos are here. I'm going to look for another. Okay, let us try to mix videos. So now Android, this is an Android device, as you can see.
So that's why we flex, boom till it makes sound like piano with my anaconda. Who are you waiting for?
So that is it, guys. Please make sure you subscribe, like, share, help this channel to grow so that we can create more exciting content.